Right, we're in the shed bakery. Got the tools ready for the baking. We've got the bread ready, proven, 50% rye flour, sourdough, strong white bread. Move those out the way, we don't need those, do we? No, we need a sharp knife. Here we are. And a spray, yes, sharp knife and a spray, yes we do. And over here we've got the oven. Set to 230 degrees oven, bottom heater only. We only like our bottom hot. And then we've got our pizza terracotta baking disc thingy inside. We need some water. Okay, so no water around here. Okay, so well, a tin to put the water in, but where's the water going to come from? Here we are, dehumidifier, yes. So we take this shed air, and this is condensed shed air to make distilled shed water. So it's got the flavour of the shed, oil, engine oil, cutting tool, grease, spray, and you have to spill some because it's a shed, doesn't matter, no wife to monitor. Put that back in there like that, yes. I'll have a bit more dehumidification, yes, and we'll make some more shed water. So the shed water is in the shed watering pan for shed evaporation to make workshop steam. Okay, workshop steam is what we need. So, I don't think we need an impact wrench, do you? No, or a cup of tea that's been there for maybe a week or 2 weeks. Good for the sourdough starter, mouldy tea bags floating in the air into the sourdough. Makes nice workman bread, workman sourdough yeast. Not made from workmen, made by workmen. Okay, so put that over there. Put the screwdriver bits out the way because we don't need this for bread either. Now then, have we got? Yes, we haven't got any welding gloves, but we have got the workshop tea towel. Workshop tea towel, lovely. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I can't hold the camera too. I need someone to come and help me hold the camera. Yes, I do. Or we can hold it over there. Hot baking stone on top of the socket set to make engineer bread, and we just take the bread in the proving basket and turn it onto the stone. So we'll do that next. So we turn her out on the hot stone, out like so. And there she is, ready to be baked. And then we give her a quick slice across the top. Give her a nice, there she goes, starting to open up. And then we just stick her back in the oven and away we go. Let's see how it goes. Ready to go in. Hello, Shed Baker here. We are cruising at 230 degrees. T minus 39 minutes and counting. She's just gone in. Got a pan of cold water in the bottom. And let's just watch her rise. Alexa, what's left on my timer?
You have 14 minutes left on your 20-minute timer.
Okay, so it's 14 minutes left on a 20-minute timer, so she's been in 6 minutes, boys. 6 minutes, that's what she looks like. Coming along nicely. So we're 9 minutes through the bake, and that's what it looks like now. It's grown quite a bit. Oh, missus. Yeah, unsaved was double the size, but it's getting there. It's coming along nicely, isn't it? This is halfway through. This is 20 minutes through the bake. I'm just going to take the bubbling tray out of the bottom of the oven there, making the steam, engineer steam, shed steam, and reduce the temperature to 220 and leave it 15 or 17 minutes. And then So here we are. Alexa, stop. Stop, Alexa. There we are. We're at the end of the timer, and the bread is baked on 220. Look, there she is. Let's have a look through. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, I think I might give that one more minute. Can you see that? Do want to know. Right, so she should be fully baked. What it looks like. That's what it looks like. Let's open the oven and have a look. Right, time's up. 220. We're 40 minutes into the bake, and there she is. There is the loaf. Let's open her up. Ooh. Have a look as she comes out. Yeah, happy with that. Yeah, lovely, lovely job. Oh, it's hot in here.